Hey everybody, just making a super quick video here to show you some new products Zazzle is introducing just in time for Christmas. It's perfect. So if you're like me and you don't always check the homepage, that has the newsletters and all that stuff, I just want to let you know you can now make tapestries, like wall hanging tapestries. They already had tapestries, but these have like a wood frame around them that you can hang up. And you can make 1, 2, or 3. So it's really cool. So if you're an artist or photographer, this is a great product for you to make for your customers. You can also make custom socks now. They're really cute. You can, just add your design or art or whatever you want to add to those. Those will make a really cute Christmas present, especially for like a white elephant Christmas gift or whatever. You can also personalize. Remember that game Connect for a long time ago where Zazzle has its own version now? And you can customize that. It's a really cute gift idea for like a housewarming present or a personalized gift for like a wedding for the bride and groom. And it's really big. So like you can do it inside or outside. It'd be cute for like a nursing home or maybe at the children's hospital. There's so many ways I can think of that you could use this game, that you can personalize it for different occasions. Birthday parties would be a good one. And last but not least is floor decals. So now you can make floor decals, which are really cute for, like if you want to make a Mr. or Mrs. one for wedding pictures, or if businesses want to, say Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever they want to say. Or, you could put like stand here, wait here in line. I made a hopscotch one. There's so many different floor decals you can make. You can make fun games for your kids on the floor and everything. So anyway, that's just a really quick video of all the new products that were just put out by Zazzle. Get some in your store for Christmas. Everybody's holiday shopping now. All right, you guys all have a great day. Bye-bye.